everyone, this is Aditya from Programmers Hub, and today we are here to learn Python. And in Python, today we will learn the conditional statements. Okay, the conditional statements basically make decision in programming whether we want to check a number is prime or not, even or not. All this is done through the conditional statement. Okay, so first of all, we should know how many type of conditional statements does Python offers to us. First statement is if statement, only if. Second is if, elif, else, and third is if and else statement. Okay, the three type of statement Python offers to us. So let us talk about the first statement, if statement. Okay, for this I am writing a script in front of you. So let us take a number from the user and check whether the number is enter is 0 or not. Okay, we have taken the integer from the user, and now we are going to check whether the number is 0 or not. If n is equal to 0, then print 0. Okay. Now let's check our program. Here the sentence under the if is the sentence which come under block of if. The statement will execute only if the condition will become true. And now we are writing a statement which will execute if the condition will false or not. In both condition the statement will execute. We can see first of all we have to save the. Now we can see that this statement will execute if the program will get false or true. In both condition this will execute, but this statement will execute only if the condition will become true. Okay, let us run the program. If we enter 0, then we get 0 and program finish. Let us rerun the program and check when the condition becomes false. If we enter 7, then program finish. Here the statement does not get executed because the condition become false. Okay, now we are going to talk about the second type of statement, a conditional statement offered by Python, which is if and else. Now let us write one more script, and in this program we will write a code to check whether number is prime or not. Okay, so again we should take a integer from the user. Here we will get two type of statement, if and else statement. If the if a statement get false, then else will execute. If the if statement will get true, then else will not execute. Okay, now let's see here. And modulus 2. Modulus basically gives the remainder. If the remainder is 0, then the number means it's divisible by 2 and it is even. Then we will print number is even. And if the condition gets false, then this statement will execute. Let us check our program. Before checking our program, I want to tell that else doesn't have any condition. we write 4, we will get number is even. Now let us check for an odd number. Now if we write 5, then we get odd. Okay, so in this program simply we get an input from the user. If the condition if get true, then the statement of if get executed. If the else get true, then the statement of else get executed. This is the simply if and else statement. Now the third type of statement we come across in Python programming for condition is if, elif, elif and else. Elif is basically the combination of if and else. When there are many conditions to check, then we use if and elif statement. For this I have written a script here. Let me show to you. And this is the script. In this we got a statement if here, then we got elif, then again we got elif, and at the last we got an else. We'll input an integer and we'll get the okay. Let us check a number 5. We got the number is 5. Okay, now let us rerun the program. If we enter 0, and then we'll got 0. Now here I have given a special condition here, which is else. Else basically execute when the number will out of the range 0 to 9. Okay, let us check by entering a number 10. The number is out of the range 0 to 9. So these are the basic programs for the condition in Python, and for further we'll talk about loop and iteration. For this video, bye and like subscribe our channel. Okay.